Hi everybody. So I'm going to be doing Alicia Keys, If I Ain't Got You. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys like it. Rate it, comment, let me know what you guys think. Yeah. Some people live for the fortune. Some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power, yeah, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that the physical things define what's within. I've been there before. That life's a bore, so full of the superficial. Some people want it all, I want a little. If it ain't you, baby, if I got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some want everything, but everything I mean nothing if I ain't got you, yeah. Some people search for a fountain, promises forever young. Some people need the desert rose, yeah, and that's the only way you prove you love him. Hand me the world on a silver platter, and what good would it be? No one is shared, no one who truly cares for me. Some people want it all, but I want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you, yeah, yeah. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Diamond ring, some drinks, whatever everything, nothing. You,